all of this could not have been possible without our amazing host and facilitator, Miss Amisha Gupta.
Her own stories added a personal touch to the whole session, which made the audience remain excited and motivated throughout.
So it was an informative webinar and I learned a lot. I would like to thank her.
And these interactive events were not been possible without our host Amisha ma'am. So we are very thankful.
It was so productive. It was so entertaining.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving such an informative session. Thank you. And we thoroughly enjoyed it, the practice session and everything.
Thank you so much, Deepshika and Satvik. Yeah, I'm right for this lovely introduction. जो कि विशाल का क्वेश्चन था कि ये दो चीजें जो हैं जो मेरी सबसे बड़ी लर्निंग रही है कि हमेशा ट्रांसपेरेंट रखना अपने आप को कि जो भी आपके थॉट्स हैं जो भी आप चाहते हैं उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन particularly this is the practical learning in anchoring. Okay, now I just want to make a little clearance here कि अभी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हम एंकरिंग करने लग जाएंगे या फिर हम कुछ एंकरिंग करेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव टू वेरी वंडरफुल एंकर्स विद अस. फर्स्ट डे इन कॉलेज एंड आपको एकदम हैंड जेस्चर्स से बताना है कि आपका पहला दिन कैसा था कॉलेज में. आई नीड 5 वॉलंटियर्स हियर. तो जिन्होंने भी बोला नहीं है या तो वो आ सकते हैं.
Just about to have a mental breakdown. Confused, excited, nervous. Believe me, not a normal day.
I won't spare a single minute. I'll just straight away join the... Well, Richard Branson has rightly said that entrepreneurship is doing what excites you.
Dr. Shastri prefers to describe himself as a teacher by instinct.
I said, please give a hand of applause, Mr. Rahul Showreel.